How to fix iPhone not ringing for incoming calls. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Now, it can be really annoying if your iPhone just isn't ringing for any calls you're getting, or maybe a specific one. So there's two different fixes I'll be showing you. The first one is swiping down on the top right of your screen and make sure your volume slider is actually turned up and make sure it's not down. The next thing you want to do is if you're on any do not disturb mode where it says focus, go ahead and disable do not disturb because it's going to silence all your notifications and you're not going to get any ringing. Next thing you want to do is go over to your settings application. Then from here, go ahead and scroll down all the way to the bottom. You're going to see apps at the bottom. Go ahead and click on that. Then go to search apps and then type in phone. And then go ahead and click on the phone app. Now, once you're here, all you want to do is scroll down and you're going to see screen unknown callers. Now, if yours is on silence, all you want to do is switch it to never. And where it says unknown callers, where it says call filtering, go ahead and disable that as well. And then all the calls will be coming through and you should be able to get them ringing. The final thing that you want to go ahead and do is go out of this section, still stay in settings, go to sound and haptics, where it says ringtone and alerts, make sure that is, pretty high. And then, yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Also, be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.